Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a little quick update on what I'm thinking and what I've been reading and watching around on the internet about this Delta variant that's going on with COVID. What do I think is going to happen? What I'm going to do to prepare if there is like a correction or crash. There's always a corrections that happen in the market. It usually happens once, sometimes twice per year. What am I planning on doing? And you guys know the strategy already. You guys know if you've been watching my channel. My strategy right now is just to lower my margin down. I want to get my margin down to under $10,000 or around $10,000 before this year ends. So I just need about $6,337 more to put into the market, into this portfolio, to bring my value up, so I don't have to have that much margin. And if the market decides to start going down, that is when I might start buying stocks, specifically into Tattooed Chef, Corsair, MP, Tesla, and NIO. And depending on how low Tilray goes, I might buy some. And depending on how low Dropbox goes, I might buy some. And especially Ethereum. And Ethereum has been having a little move upwards finally, since lows of 1700s. But that is the plan. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep depositing money, lowering my margin. And then I'm going to sell puts, which I can make quite a bit. With this one, if it expires worthless, with this put that I'm selling on Tattooed Chef, I'll make $316 for the month. And if I can do this for a couple months, I can make a couple $1,000, hopefully, which will help lower our margin even more. And that's the plan. That's what I plan on doing. Just a little quick update. And look at this. Freaking Shopify is moving up very fast, man. Very fast. And one move I'm considering on doing is I'm probably considering selling Tilray if it finally moves up. I'm talking about if it goes back up to above $25, I'll probably sell it off. If not, I'm going to plan on holding it. I need to see some moves, man. I need to see some moves with Tilray. I've been holding this one for a little while. I think I'm up over 100% on this one since the merger, because I bought Afria. My average cost was around $6, I think under $7. And then I got these shares. So yeah, I think as long as Tilray and the United States continues to legalize cannabis, Tilray should be poised to move up with it. And I'm fine holding it. But if I ever see like a little short squeeze like we've seen over here, if we ever see a short squeeze like this happen again in a very fast amount of time, I'm not going to hesitate to sell this time. Last time I said if it had one more green day, I'm going to sell it on that next green day, and it didn't happen. And you know what? I just held. And I'm going to continue to hold this stock for a while. But I do plan on buying more NIO, buying more Shopify, Tattooed Chef, Corsair, MP, every single stock except for maybe even Dropbox. If I see Dropbox go down, I'm probably going to have to buy some, even a little bit, maybe another 10, 20 shares. I'm kind of happy how it's going. It went up as soon as I started buying it. As soon as I started buying it, it started going up. Same thing with Shopify. As soon as I started buying it, it started going up. And these was just things where I usually just start buying something and then I slowly build out my position. That's what I did with with NIO. Slowly started buying into it, and right now I'm kind of comfortable with the position that I have. I mean, I would love to buy some more. As long as it's under $50, I think it's a buy, man. I think it's a buy. And right now, Tattooed Chef, Corsair, MP, those ones are ones I really want to buy. I haven't even continued to build out my position in it. Even MP, I wish it was lower. But Corsair and Tattooed Chef, these two right here are big buys for me. Tattooed Chef, Corsair, and Ethereum. These three right here I'm down. I say I'm down 13% on Ethereum. I'm down 23% on Corsair. Tattooed Chef, I'm up a little bit. I'm up 13%. I think under $25 is a good buy. I would love to get a couple hundred shares. I'm talking about 250 at least in Tattooed Chef, 250 at least in Corsair. I want to get 5 Ethereum coins. And if there's a correction that happens and these babies go down even more, you best believe I'm going to be buying a crap ton of them. I mean, Ethereum has went all the way down to 1,700. Can it go down even more than that? Can it go down to 1,500? If it does go down to 1,500, I might have to buy it. I might just have to buy it. I might have to put some money into it. It might make our margin go up, but I really need to get it at a low price. It's just tough, man. It's tough having a little bit of money, man. Tough. That's why I'm gonna have to keep posting up and showing you guys my thought process. This is a long-term game, and be careful with margin. I'm not gonna make the same mistake I've made with margin again. I really want to lower this down, and so I can start buying like I was before. And hopefully the market starts going up, because most of these babies are not even close to the 52-week high. Not even close. Neo, not even close to 52-week high. Shopify is at its 52-week high. Dropbox is at its 52-week high. These two are the only ones in my portfolio that are close or at 52-week high. Neo, 67, 66, 69 was its 52-week high. Tilray was so, it's like $60, it's 52. 67, not even close. Then we see Tattooed Chef, 52-week high. Where is it at? At 28.64. It's $9 off. Corsair, I think 58, right? Or 51. 51 bucks, not even close to its 52-week high. MP, same thing, around 51. Tesla, $900 was its 52-week high. We're not even close to it. Ethereum, 40, I think 4,400, right? Around 4,400. Let's see. Yeah, 4,400. So most of my stocks and crypto that I own, not even close to 52-week high. The only one, Shopify and Dropbox. So those ones are the ones that I'm not really buying. Tilray, I'm kind of happy with my positioning. I'm going to put it down there to say that I would like to build out all these other positions bigger than this one. I would love to get these other positions to have more equity in all these other positions than Tilray. Dropbox, long-term play. I'm not going to sell it if there's big dips in it. Like, let's see. If there was, like, this dip right here was probably a good time to buy at least a little bit of shares. A little bit of shares in there. But other than that, since May, it really has not stopped moving upwards. Just look at this. Beautiful, beautiful move upwards. But other than that, that's a little quick update. I'm going to keep stacking cash. I need to get my margin down so I can start being a buyer in these markets again.